Okay, so I'm doing the exact instantaneous rate of change. Now my problem is the distance a Chromebook falls off a cliff is f of t equals 14t squared minus 4 feet. And I'm going to be finding what is the instantaneous rate of change at t equals 3 seconds. Now the formula we're going to be using for exact instantaneous rate of change is the limit as h approaches 0 is f of t plus h minus f of t over h. Now f of t is going to be 14t squared minus 4, and f of t plus h is going to be 14t plus h squared minus 4. Now I just substitute the t plus h for the t. So we're going to plug that into our original formula and get 14t plus h squared minus 4 minus 14t squared minus 4 over h. Now we're going to simplify this to limit as h approaches 0 over 14t squared plus 2th plus h squared minus 4 minus 14t squared plus 4 over 0. And then we're going to distribute our 14, which will give us limit as h approaches 0 over 14t squared plus 28th plus 14h squared minus 4 minus 14t squared plus 4 over h. Now we can cancel out like terms, which will leave us with 28th plus 14h squared over h. Okay, limit as h approaches 0. We're going to cancel out our extra h's, which will give us 28t plus 14h, over, well, you don't need to write that anymore. Now we're going to distribute our h, will give us 28t, and then of course that turns into 0 after you get that. And then up here at the start, we're finding the time at 3 seconds. So we plug that in, 28 times 3, which will equal 84 feet per sec. And then that's your answer.